Hello everyone, welcome back. And what we are going to see in this lecture is actually develop our moviepro app to add one more page that is dedicated to TF IDF. So you can navigate through the pages that are on the left. This is one of the newest features introduced in Streamlit, which is to support multi-page apps natively. And this is essentially what we are going to build, which is add a TF IDF page. Previously we had this Streamlit App page, which is kind of like the home page where it's just a dataset explorer. You can just scroll through all the movies as you wish. Now you can click on TF IDF. Let's go to page number 60. That's where the Batman Begins is. Okay. And I've scrolled to page 61 because we have searched for Batman Begins and we know that the index is 60. As the index starts from 0, it's essentially page 61. That's the movie plot of Batman Begins. And what we are going to build is display the Batman Begins movie plot. Then underneath we have two buttons. Click on get keywords, and in just a few seconds it's going to give the top 10 keywords of Batman Begins, that is Bruce, Batman, Gotham, etc. And you can also get similar movie plots. Just click on similar movie plots, and as you can see the top match is again Batman Begins, but you can see that we get The Dark Knight, which is the sequel of Batman Begins, as the next top matched one, and Lego Batman movie as the next top match. So at the end of the day, we have added more features to our moviepro app. Now any movie director or the production house can just find the movie that they like and they can extract keywords or get similar movies. It's kind of like a recommendation system, if you wanna say so. So we have added this feature to our moviepro.ai. So we have learned TF IDF algorithm and implemented keyword extraction and similar movie plot feature to our app moviepro.ai. Let's see that in code, how we have done that. So first things first, our previous Streamlit app had this code, which is just a dataset navigator that we have created. So copy the same code and create a new folder called as pages, and within that I created a TF IDF file and I just pasted all the code that was already there in our home page, that is dataset explorer. Now I added more imports that are relevant to TF IDF vectorizer from sklearn, as you can see here. And just like previously, I'm caching the data. The only thing is that I added drop duplicates function, since we have seen there are few duplicates. And the code that you see here again, transformed output, is nothing too complex. We are creating our TF IDF vectorizer as we have seen in the previous sections already, and we are doing a fit on the plot column on all the movie plots, and we are also calculating the full TF IDF vector by transform, and we are just returning it. Similarly, I have added two more functions here. So the first function is just get keywords TF IDF. This is nothing new, basically the same code that we have seen to extract the keywords, which is get the top TF IDF scores from any given movie plot and get the corresponding keywords associated with those scores and just sort them in decreasing order and take the top n keywords, etc. And again, similar movie plots, this function also doesn't do anything too complex. We have already seen this as well, which is given a movie plot, so we get the TF IDF vector for any given movie plot, and we have TF IDF vectors for all the 3300 plus movie plots. Now we take cosine similarity and find the most similar ones and sort them in decreasing order, and we just return those movie plots and the metadata. That's what we are doing here. And apart from the previous ones, all we added is just this code, which is a new button for get keywords. As soon as that button is called, we get our keywords and we just display our keywords by a separator. And similarly, we have the button for get similar movie plots. As soon as that button is clicked, the get similar movie plots function is called, and all the movie plots that we get are displayed in this loop with a separator, just to isolate movies from each other. And the other change that I did was in the requirements.txt, I added scikit-learn. So essentially speaking, previously we had only this app, Streamlit App.py, that's the home page app. Now we added a pages folder, and within that we have added another Python file which showcases all the TF IDF features that we have developed. And similarly, under the pages you can keep adding more Python files, and each one will appear as menu on the sidebar. So that's about it. We have made changes by creating a new folder pages, and underneath that tfidf.py, and in requirements.txt we added scikit-learn, and I have my GitHub desktop here. So essentially whatever changes I've made here, I've pushed them onto my GitHub repository. And if you go to streamlit.io, and we already know where we have deployed this app previously, which is on Streamlit Cloud. And if you just go to Streamlit Cloud, and perhaps you can just do reboot app, then the newest app and the code will be updated here. And you can see that previously we didn't have a sidebar, but now the sidebar appears, and you have home page at streamlit.app, which is just dataset explorer, and you have the main keyword extraction and similar movie extraction functionality in the TF IDF side menu bar. As soon as you click that, it will appear here. So here you can get keywords, or you can get movie plots, similar movie plots like Tarzan. For example, The Legend of Tarzan is one, Magic Mike is one, Mama is one, etc. As you can see, we have already created moviepro.ai and we started adding features to this. It's almost like an usable app that you can give to any movie production house to organize their movies, scroll through them, or extract top keywords, or find similar movie plots using TF IDF algorithm, etc. So we started learning NLP algorithms, and we are implementing them as features to the moviepro.ai app. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next section.